I would like to welcome you in Dubai Airshow. This is an event held every year, and this year it has been running from the 13th of November until the 17th of November. So I'll be showing you guys around what's going on. The airshow has just finished. However, there's gonna be another one pretty much soon. So you guys better make a point of coming here next time. So look forward to 2024 show and make a point of showing up. You will not regret it. You'll be able to go into the aircrafts such as this. I've been here before. I was in the Emirates aircraft and many more. The military aircrafts you're not able to go inside. However, there is a chance to take a photo from outside. So guys, enjoy the rest of the video. As you all can see, there is one aircraft that is doing some show. I'm gonna find out pretty much soon what it is about, but possibly that's a new aircraft by, I'm not sure whether it's Boeing or Airbus. Let's find out. So yeah, that is an A350 Airbus, so I was right.
So guys, brace yourself to discover the world of aerospace as you have never seen it before. Envision the future of the industry and step into the extraordinary with 1,400 plus exhibitors from 95 countries. Okay, moving forward, the Dubai Airshow 2023 kicked off with record-breaking numbers showcasing advanced technology as you would expect and the latest in sustainable solutions and a notable resurgence in air travel. So right here we can see this is a Brazilian product from EVE Air Mobility, which produces electrical, vertical takeoff and landing aircrafts and urban air mobility infrastructure. As you can see, this is quite an advanced development here, and they develop a collection of systems, services and technologies to support integrated operations of all type of urban air mobility aircraft in a low airspace alongside existing and emerging airspace users. Man, this is a great innovation, and Dubai is definitely investing into this such mobility infrastructures.
There are quite a lot of displays here. The drones are gonna take over the world pretty much soon. Look at this little beast over here.
Wow, just have a look at this high-tech and sustainable future of aviation. Man, this jet is the new future. It's by the Lilium jets, and it's still the vertical landing technology. This is the moment to go watch the battle of the single aisle aircraft, yeah? So This is a competition between Airbus versus Boeing, and we need to know who won the Dubai Airshow of 2023 because the competition is quite high. The demand is of course elevated to a different level. I mean, the American Boeing are doing pretty well. There are a lot of orders from Airbus, but we're about to find out. You guys tell me which is your preferred aircraft and what you like about them. My oh my, this pilot must be enjoying going up there. Oh wow, look at that dive. OMG, wow. Oh, here they are, the Italian Aerobatic display team. I'll be telling you about them pretty much shortly because they did an amazing show. Guys, do you remember I told you that I'm going to introduce you to these guys? So here we are. Freccia Tricolore is the aerobatic demonstration team of the Italian force based in Rivolto Air Base, province of Udine, definitely in Italy, and it was created on 1st of March 1961 as a permanent group for the training of Air Force pilots in air acrobatics. Wow, I didn't know such things exist until I visited this air show. Guys, I told you must come and see for yourself because it's just an amazing experience. Here we are, Boeing 777 is about to take off and give us some show and, demonstrate how good it is in the sky. I mean, I just enjoy seeing these wide bodies up there and trying to, give us the best of the ability to showcase the aircraft here. And this is the world's largest twin jet and the most built wide body airliner. Let's have a look. It's now time for the Airbus to shine its candle. So this is the A350 1000 series, yeah, and it's powered by the world's most efficient large aero engine, the Rolls-Royce Trent XWB 97 turbofans. Guys, what more do you want me to tell you? This is powerful.
So this marks the end of my tour today at the Dubai Airshow. Make a point of coming to, experience this place and types of aircrafts, drones, helicopters, whatever interests you, just come and see it for yourself. There are a lot of goodies that everybody is giving out, so just come early and make sure to bring yourself a small bag because you're gonna go out heavy. Anyway, thanks all for watching and see you again next time. Adios. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until next time, adios.